Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you, especially for beginner crocheters, only one row repeating shawl or caul pattern. It's so simple, one row repeating, only you need to know double crochet and chains. That's it. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and thanks for watching. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our triangle shawl pattern, only one row repeating. Let's start to crochet. I use this sample a middle thickness yarn. This is colorful. It's so I lost its label, so I don't know its color number or which brand of this yarn, but I think its size is 3. I used 4mm hook for this sample. If you want to make a big shawl, big triangle shawl, you need this big width, this big side of triangle need 1 meter and 8 centimeter for the big triangle shawl, but you want to use it as a caul, you need 1 meter and 10 centimeter for this triangle's big side. And I will show you a little thicker than this colorful yarn. I will show you with this yarn, and I use 4.5mm hook. Okay, for that, first of all, you will make a slip knot. Take this yarn, grab this, and make one more, like make a chain, and pull that yarn, and I have a knot here. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 chains. Yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains, 6 stitch. Insert your hook, 7th one. Grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, make double crochet. I made a box here, make here 1 double crochet, and make in the same 7th stitch I will make 3 more double crochet. Grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, 3 and the 4th one. Then chain 3, yarn over, left here 1 stitch to 8th one, insert here, grab my yarn and finish with loose the double crochet or treble. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 chains. 3 for my double crochet, 3 for space. Yarn over, insert my hook, chain 3 space, and make here 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, insert into the same space and make 1 more double crochet. Then yarn over, skip that 4 stitch, come to first chain 3 space and make here 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over and insert into the same space and make here double crochet. You can see that always we will work chain 3 spaces. In the first row we have 1 group, in the second row we have 3 groups, 2 groups, sorry. On the third row you will see we will have third group, 3 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn my work, yarn over and insert my hook, first chain 3 space, make here 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4, then chain 3, yarn over, insert into the same space and make double crochet. Make my space. I make my increase from the beginning and the finishing point. Yarn over, not make any chains. Skip this 4 stitch, come to next chain 3 space and make here 4 double crochet again. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over and insert into the same space again and make double crochet. Yarn over, then skip 1, 2, 3, 4 these group, come to last space and make 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Chain 3 and finish with, in the same space, double crochet or triple. You will see that. You can see 1, 2, 3. Next row we will have 4. Always repeat these 1 row. I will show you one more time, and after as same as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and turn my work, yarn over, come to first space and make double crochet. This is the first one. Add here 3 more, so I have totally 4 double crochet. Then chain 3, yarn over, insert into the same space and make double. Then yarn over, skip this group, come to next chain 3 space and make 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Chain 3, yarn over, insert into the same space and make your double crochet. Then yarn over and skip this 4 stitch, come to next chain 3 space, make here 4 double. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Chain 3, yarn over, insert into the same space and make double crochet. Yarn over, skip this group, come to last, make here 4 double. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, insert into the same space and finish with double crochet. After that, chain 6 and turn your work, make your box, make your 4 double, then make your chain 3 and here skip this and always work chain 3 spaces here. 1, 2, 3, 4, next row 5. That's it. This is 4.5 millimeter and it's bigger than, and this is 3.5 millimeter or 4 millimeter hook. That's it. How much you will make your hook more bigger, your groups will be more bigger. Okay, I hope you like it, and it's reversible. I forgot to say that it's reversible and it's for beginner crocheters. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for all of the things. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy, the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.